Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create animation videos using Canva in minutes. So forget complicated software and endless tutorial. Here I'm breaking down the fastest, easiest ways to bring your graphics, text, and characters to life using Canva AI tools. So what you need to do, just open Canva on a mobile or browser like this. Go to the canva.com and head to Canva AI. And in here, Canva will show you what you can do with Canva AI. If you scroll down, there will be a lot of animation videos example that you can create with Canva AI, like this one, or maybe this one's right here in a clay style. So let's say I'm going to just use this one in here. You can click on the example. So this is the prompt example in a claymation scene. You can just change the character based on the character that you want. You can copy this prompt and modify it your own in here. So for example, I'm going to change the character, uh, the the character color into, for example, black cat, and also for the dog, I'm going to go with white. And here you can just click on submit again and wait for the result. So the result is out. You can just click on the play button in here to preview how it will look like. And here I'm going to also add my own prompt to show you another example of animations video created by Canva AI. So if you want to download the result, you can see the download button in here on the video to save the result from Canva AI. So this is the result based on my prompts: 3D cartoon character in a colorful park, bouncy movement, glossy objects with soft lighting. Let's see the result. So guys, that's how you can create your own animations video only just using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.